This video is created to assist taxpayers on locating and understanding important information that appears on your second installment property tax bill. Total payment due displays the tax amount due based on the corresponding due date located below the amount. Payments can be made in 4 ways. Online at cookcountytreasurer.com, at nearly 400 Chase Bank locations in Illinois, from a checking or savings account at more than 200 participating community banks, by mail with a U.S. postmark no later than August 1st, 2016. If paying late, please refer to the late payment schedule below this box. PIN. This 14-digit number represents the property legal description. Verify it on your deed. Pay only on your PIN. Include the PIN on payments and in any email or letter. Code. This stands for the combination of taxing districts that collect property taxes in the area where the PIN is. Classification. Assessment levels are based on property use, residential, commercial, etc. Residential classifications start with 2. Late payment schedule. The late payment area shows the amount to pay after the due date is passed. Pay the one amount that matches the date you mail or submit payment. Taxing district breakdown. In the middle portion of your tax bill, under Taxing District Breakdown, are the agencies that receive a portion of your taxes. Data for each agency and category includes the dollar amount, tax rate, and percentage of the total bill. Property location. This is where the PIN is located, not the billing address. This is maintained and can be updated by the Cook County Assessor's Office. Mailing address. If the name and address for this PIN were not updated when the property was sold, you may obtain a name change application under the Forms section of cookcountytreasurer.com, or check the box on the coupon and complete the form on the back. For the taxpayer's protection, the forms must be notarized when submitted by mail. Return address. Make sure this address for the Cook County Treasurer appears through the window of the envelope used to mail your payment. Payment coupon. Mail this portion with your check, or if paying in person, present the entire bill. Important payment messages. An important payment message reminds taxpayers to pay only the amount due according to the payment schedule. Payment checks may be reduced by the Treasurer's Office in order to prevent overpayment. Certain other tax bills identified to be paid by a bank mortgage company will have a message on your payment coupon. This message reminds you not to double pay. Property value. Amount the assessor determined the property could sell for on the open market. Assessment level. Rate at which property is assessed, based on its classification. Residential properties are assessed at 10% of their market value. Current year assessed value. The taxable portion of the property value. Properties in Cook County are reassessed by the Cook County Assessor every 3 years. This process is called the triennial assessment cycle. The assessor alternates reassessments between the north and west suburbs, the south and west suburbs, and the city of Chicago. For tax year 2015, the city of Chicago was reassessed. Questions regarding your tax assessment or to find information on how to file a tax assessment appeal, contact the Cook County Assessor at 312-443-7550 or visit www.cookcountyassessor.com. Prior year assessed value. The taxable portion of the property value for the prior year, tax year 2014. This information is provided for comparison purposes. State equalization factor. Factor set by Illinois Department of Revenue to even out or equalize differences in assessments from county to county across the state. Equalized assessed value. This is the county's assessed value after it's been equalized by the state before exemptions. Local tax rate. This is the total rate for all the local governments that collect property taxes on this PIN. The Cook County Clerk's Office calculates the tax rate based on the amount of funds each taxing district requests. To contact the clerk, call 312-603-5656 or visit www.cookcountyclerk.com. Exemptions. A dollar amount next to an exemption means that this PIN received this tax reduction. If you are entitled to an exemption you did not receive, contact the Cook County Assessor at 312-443-7550 or visit www.cookcountyassessor.com. Installments show how the total tax was spread between the first estimated and the second final installments. Total tax. Amount calculated based on the latest assessment and new equalization factor, exemptions, and tax rates. Important messages. Finally, please read any text in the Important Messages section of your tax bill. Messages include refund notifications, recently sold or forfeited taxes, and prior year delinquent tax notices. For more information, please visit cookcountytreasurer.com.